to my presentation on question number 2. So just have it pulled up on your laptop and follow along. So for question number 2 is has you start off by asking you to find the correlation coefficient. Now, to find the correlation coefficient, it's just really easy. All you have to do is first you go to stat. First, it may help to turn on the calculator. First go to stat, then go to edit, put in your x values in your first column, y values in your second column, then hit stat again, go right arrow over to calc, go down to number 4, linear regression, hit that, then go all the way down to calculate, hit that, and then your R value will be your correlation coefficient. So we already have it wrote out right here, correlation coefficient. After it's rounded, is just going to be negative 0.994. Now, if you also look at the screen, it shows that the A value and B value are given. So we just have that. We just copy that down right about here, round it a little bit again. And then also another way in order to find these values is the A value, because you have the equation y equals ax plus b, you can just find the slope and that will be the A value, and then after that you can plug in 0 for x, and then that will give you your y-intercept or the b value. Now, on to question 2b. It's asking you on January 1st, 2010, Lena buys a car which has traveled 11,000 kilometers. Use the equation, the linear regression equation, in order to find the price. So, easy. The equation we know is going to be y equals ax plus b. We just plugged in the values, a in here, b in here, and then the x value is going to be 11,000, and that's how much distance traveled. And then this is the function in order to find the price, and then the price will end up equaling 16,100. Now, part C is asking you to, after a price decreases by 5% each year, calculate the price after 6 years. So we use the equation y, which will be the final price, equals the initial price p times the rate. So in this case, there will be 95% of it will be left over, so we'll end up plugging in 95% or 0.95 time, or raised to the power of just the amount of time that has passed. So if we look at this with all of our values plugged in, we have the final price equals the initial price, 16,100, times the amount left over, 0.95, raised to 6, which is the time that has passed. And this will end up producing 11,800. Now, for the last one, you need to find the year. Lena will sell a car whenever the final price equals $10,000, and then you just have to find the year when that happens. So, easy. All you do is you use this equation, and then in this case, you use the final price, because the final price will be 10,000 right here, equals the initial price, 16,000, and then you just use the same equation from before right here, except you don't plug in a value for x because you're trying to find how much time has passed. And then after you divide it by 16,100 on both sides, then you use log. You can use log in order to find the x value. Then you will be able to have x equals 9.28. That's how much time has passed, so you're not done. And then you know that because it is currently 2010, it will be 9.28 years from 2010, which is 2019.